Good morning mga kawibaw. So ito na naman, titira tayo ng railway platform.
Isa ba nang ginagamit ang nakita yan? Nakita din.
Say hi to my vlog. Oh, yes.
Shout out to your family.
My friend.
Shout out to Tini. Good work. Shout out to Tini family. Keep safe.
Tira natin guys. Nililinisan na yung iba.
Patama mo ito, patama.
Nililinisan yung iba kasi gising sila. Tapos kami kinakabit na to. Yung ipot namin to. Yan. Yan si Pare Masong, pang malakasan namin yun.
Malakas magtay.
Ito si Pare Hila, may ko, basta malakasan to.
Malakas magtay.
Malakas gano'n yung tikalo.
What's up, madlang people? Kabibid. Tignan nyo tong trabaho na.
Oh, shout out mga boys. Oh.
Hindi na yung trabaho namin.
Oh.
Titingnan kami, hindi na kami. Why not go inside?
So ito na mga ka-rebar. At tinitira na natin yung stirrup nitong platform wall. Para sa platform to ng really.
he's number one.
Ah, so,
It's the boss.
yan na yung mga karpintero namin dito na masisipag.
This guy is our boss.
Benny. Benny, the number one carpenter.
No, number
Yeah,
one.
he's doing the shutter, the wall, the high. Ah,
Yeah, he's the vlogger, bro. He's doing the thing. Yeah, that's good.
shout out. Say something to your
there's
friends.
no wrong. There's
My
no
friends don't have YouTube.
Wrong. No. His friend, Asi Taulab, ha? His friend, brother. He's a
Yeah.
PBA player. Yeah, his friend.
No, tell fellas, no money. Me, no money.
He's almost coming on that thing, eh? Hey, no. It's somebody, brother. He's the silent type guy, bro.
Yeah. He's the number one carpenter and
No, number one. No,
Link
number five.
Alliance.
He's the coolest man, brother.
Ito na yung ginagawa namin guys, oh. Malapit na kami matapos. So, tira natin yung platform wall. So, mapusisi din gawin. Kasi kailangan itong lagyan pa ng mga stirrup to. This one. Na stirrup. Shout out friends sa mga BBM mo. Kung ganyan. Ayan na oh, malapit na tayo matapos. So yun mga karibar, nadali na natin to tapos itong ano na to, platform wall. Tapos na natin ang platform wall na yun. Kapilaan yan, eh. Kapila. Shutter na. Tapos na rin to. Ayan. Yun. Pinapurmahan na nila. Pupunta na lang sila. Guys, maraming salamat sa inyo. At i-share ko lang yung aming mga trabaho dito. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and share. Keep safe and God bless sa ating lahat.